operational demo for the PRINERGY Cloud Archiver. So as you saw in the previous presentation, there's a lot of additional features built into the service bundle, such as having an RBA read-only rule provided by Kodak that allows you to just select a job and then archive and purge the files overnight. That way that frees up your internet access for other uses in the business during the day, such as interacting with clients or receiving files for new jobs or doing corrections with your customers via Smart Review and Insight. So here at the job finder level, you can also fire the rules for archive, purge, and retrieve. But if we just go in to a job as well, we can see in the storage tab all of the individual files. So it's very simple. If I just select my file and I say, as you can see here, this is online already and it's already been archived, so I want to purge it from the system and free up space so that I can go do some other work. You can see how easy that was. And now later when I come back, it looks as if the file is still on the system, but it's not. The file has actually been purged from PRINERGY, but all the metadata resides as if it's still there. But if I need to make a new proof for page 26, all I have to do is select it, go to my storage tab again, and then just retrieve. And run that, and then that process will fire off. Now, while you can see now I brought the file back from the cloud back to my local server. Now let's see, it's very easy to manage your work. You can archive, purge, and retrieve. If you fire the event archive, the storage event off at the job finder level, it actually copies everything that's in the job home. So as an example here, you can see my files that may reside outside of the job home in another folder on my server. All of those are retained and a copy is kept, including everything that's in the user-defined folders. So you can see it's a very integrated and very easy to use event-driven archive solution. Now when I want to manage my cloud account, I will fire up my Kodak Analytics Decision Analytics dashboard, and I can see not only my server but also any other server that has been provisioned to my account, because we can track at a division level, we can also go down to a plant level, and then down to a server level. So what I'm seeing here is through time, how much storage have I currently used in my cloud account. You can see I have a small amount of jobs that are stored online. I can always click this button and see the actual table and the amount of data that's stored. I can click here and export that report off to 3 different file formats. You can share, print that report. So it's a very handy tool for managing my storage. Now if I want to isolate my server from the others, now I can go down and look at my activity. So you can see here I have shortcuts to slice the data up in different views, so day, week, month, and it shows me the total amount of data that I've archived up to the cloud and how much have I retrieved from the cloud. And again, if I'd like to drill in, I can just drill in and look at information in greater detail. Same as before, I have my shortcut to the table view. I can export this report and email it, or I could open up and maximize in another window and do further analysis against this report instead of just working off my dashboard. And then down below I have basically the same format, but it shows me the activities, the number of jobs I've archived or files, how many have I retrieved, and how many have I deleted. Now as we had noted in the presentation, anytime that you delete jobs in PRINERGY, it also deletes files from your cloud account. As you can see here in this demonstration we have on one of our test servers to really dramatically show you that you can start saving a lot of space by removing those jobs that you're no longer working on. So there's a quick overview of the archiving activities within the PRINERGY Cloud Archiver service, and I hope you found this presentation helpful.